Can you freeze bell peppers, and should you be doing it? Yes, you can, and with absolutely great results too. The great thing about freezing bell peppers is that unlike many other vegetables, bell peppers can be quickly frozen without blanching them first. The raw peppers also retain their texture, remaining crisp and brightly colored. Thawed peppers can be used in both cooked and raw dishes. Frozen bell peppers are great additions to eggs, soups, stews, chili, and stir-fries, among many other great dishes. Bell peppers are a great way to add flavor and color to your favorite dishes. Freezing bell peppers is a great way to preserve their freshness and color. Bell peppers that are kept in the refrigerator can go bad very quickly if you do not consume them. By opting to freeze your vegetables, you lengthen their lifespan and save yourself a few bucks in the process. How to freeze bell peppers? A step-by-step guide. The most common method for freezing bell peppers is known as flash freezing. With this method, the peppers are not blanched and are frozen in slices that make the finished product easy to work with. Follow this outlined process for the best results after freezing using the flash freeze method. Step 1. After selecting your fresh peppers for freezing, wash the selected peppers thoroughly and dry them using a paper or dish towel. Step 2. Remove the stems of the dried peppers and cut each of the peppers in half. Carefully remove the seeds and membranes. To save time, this can be done with the tip of a spoon or a melon baller if you have one handy. Step 3. Depending on how you plan to use them, cut the peppers into strips, dice, or slice them. The sizes should not matter too much, go with whatever size better suits your cooking needs. Step 4. Place the cut peppers in a single layer on a cookie sheet with sides or a large baking tray. Place the filled sheet into the freezer for about an hour or longer until they are frozen solid. Step 5. Transfer the frozen strips to a freezer bag once they are solid. Squeeze excess air from the bag to avoid freezer burn and seal with an airtight finish. Place into the freezer for final storage. Thawing them out. Peppers that are frozen sliced or otherwise cut do not require extensive thawing. Simply remove the freezer bag, pour out the amount that is needed for your dish, reseal the bag and return to the freezer. Frozen bell peppers can keep for up to 12 months as long as they are kept at a constant temperature of 0 degrees Celsius or less. Thank you for your time.